Ginkgo biloba.
I like ginkgo.
The ginkgo tree. This is a zone 4 to 9 tree, so it grows in a large part of the United States. It is extremely slow growing, but it will get tall. This will get up to 50 feet or more.
Wow, that's impressive.
But you know, it does very well with the city, and it tolerates soils and environmental conditions that most trees don't take.
Okay.
But it's a very ancient tree, and it has survived a long time, and so it can take our cities and the kind of environments that we have in the city.
Which is good. So
It's
we have to
very
know the
good.
difference between the male and the female tree, though, right?
You do, yeah. They usually are only selling the male trees
good,
these days, and clones of them.
Okay.
And what they'll do is they'll graft onto stock. So then you make sure you'll have a male tree, because you definitely don't want the female tree. Yeah, but all of that is edible, though. The berries of it, if you do have a female tree, they are edible, and they're delicacy in some parts of the world. So
really?
Yeah.
It just smells so bad.
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
it does.
Wow. Okay.
But anyway, you can't beat the yellow fall foliage color of ginkgo, and it's not a full tree. That's why I recommend it for the city, because it's a very loose fitting tree. You wouldn't want to have it for a shade tree.
Gotcha.
So that's why I recommend it.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.